Discover Seville, one of Spain's most vibrant and unforgettable cities. From magnificent palaces and breathtaking plazas to lively streets filled with flamenco, culture, and delicious cuisine, Seville offers an experience like no other. Join us as we explore the city's most iconic attractions, hidden gems, and the incredible charm that makes Seville a must-visit destination. Plaza de España in Seville is one of Spain's most breathtaking landmarks and a must-visit for every traveler. Designed by architect Aníbal González, this spectacular semicircular square was built between 1914 and 1929 for the Ibero-American Exposition. Marvel at the grand central building, elegant towers, colorful ceramic benches representing Spain's provinces, 4 historic bridges, a peaceful canal, and a magnificent fountain. Every detail celebrates Spanish history, architecture, art, and culture. Rent a boat, admire the famous tile decorations, explore the Military History Museum, and capture unforgettable photos. Plaza de España is one of the best places to visit in Seville, Andalusia, offering timeless beauty, incredible photography, unforgettable travel experiences, iconic scenery, rich heritage, and unforgettable memories for every visitor exploring southern Spain in every season today. Discover the Royal Alcázar of Seville, one of Spain's most breathtaking UNESCO World Heritage Sites. This magnificent royal palace blends Mudejar, Gothic, Renaissance, and Islamic architecture into an unforgettable travel experience. Wander through spectacular courtyards, colorful ceramic tiles, peaceful gardens, elegant arches, and the breathtaking Hall of the Ambassadors. Built across centuries, the Alcázar reveals fascinating stories of kings, sultans, conquests, culture, craftsmanship, and timeless beauty. Every corner showcases intricate carvings, shimmering fountains, hidden patios, and extraordinary history. Featured in Game of Thrones, this iconic Seville landmark remains one of Europe's greatest historic attractions and an essential destination for every traveler exploring Andalusia and Spain. Experience unforgettable history, stunning architecture, royal gardens, cultural treasures, and unforgettable moments in the real Alcázar today, forever remembered. Seville Cathedral is one of the most breathtaking landmarks in Spain and a true masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Standing in the heart of Seville, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is the largest Gothic cathedral in the world and one of Europe's greatest travel attractions. Discover the legendary Giralda Tower, the beautiful Patio de los Naranjos, spectacular stained glass windows, and the magnificent golden altarpiece. Built on the foundations of a former Almohad mosque, the cathedral tells an incredible story of history, culture, and faith. Inside, visitors can see the famous tomb of Christopher Columbus and admire one of the world's most impressive cathedral interiors. Seville Cathedral is an unforgettable destination and one of the top places to visit in Andalusia and Spain. discover the breathtaking Setas de Sevilla, one of the most famous landmarks in Seville, Spain. Also known as Las Setas, or the Metropol Parasol, this incredible wooden structure is the world's largest of its kind. Inspired by giant mushrooms, it features a lively market, a Roman and Moorish archaeological museum, a panoramic rooftop walkway, restaurants, and spectacular city views. Designed by architect Jürgen Mayer and completed in 2011, Setas de Sevilla perfectly blends modern architecture with historic Seville, making it an unmissable attraction for every traveler exploring southern Spain. Discover Parque de Maria Luisa, Seville's most beautiful park and one of the city's top tourist attractions. Stroll through colorful gardens, elegant fountains, peaceful ponds, and palm-lined paths beside the Guadalquivir River. Explore the iconic Plaza de España, famous for its stunning architecture, ceramic bridges, and unforgettable movie scenes. Spot graceful swans, playful ducks, and vibrant parakeets while admiring historic monuments, hidden corners, and lush botanical landscapes. Parque de Maria Luisa is the perfect destination for sightseeing, photography, nature lovers, and anyone searching for the true beauty and timeless charm of Seville. Rising above Seville, La Giralda is one of Spain's most iconic landmarks and a masterpiece of Andalusian architecture. Originally built as the 12th century minaret of the Great Mosque during Almohad rule, it later became the magnificent bell tower of Seville Cathedral. Its elegant Renaissance crown, famous Giralda weather vane, and 35 gentle ramps reveal centuries of remarkable engineering. Standing 94 meters tall, La Giralda dominates the historic skyline and forms part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site with the cathedral, Alcázar, and Archive of the Indies. Every stone tells a story of Islamic heritage, Christian transformation, breathtaking design, and unforgettable history, making La Giralda an essential attraction for every traveler exploring Seville, Spain today, and inspiring visitors from around the world forever. The Real Maestranza de Caballería de Sevilla is one of Spain's most prestigious royal chivalric orders. Founded in 1670, this historic institution trained noble horsemen in military skills, horsemanship, and service to the Spanish crown. Its legacy grew through centuries of tradition, royal leadership, and remarkable ceremonies. Today, King Felipe VI remains its honorary leader. Beyond history, the order transformed Seville by promoting equestrian culture and creating the iconic Plaza de Toros de la Real Maestranza. Every detail, from elegant uniforms to royal events, reflects Spanish heritage, architecture, culture, tourism, and unforgettable history. Explore this legendary landmark to experience authentic Seville, Andalusia, Spain. Historic attractions, cultural treasures, royal traditions, famous monuments, travel inspiration, unforgettable sightseeing, and timeless elegance in one extraordinary destination worth discovering today. Rising above the skyline of Seville, Seville Tower is the tallest building in Andalusia and one of Spain's most impressive modern landmarks. Designed by world-famous architect Cesar Pelli, this iconic skyscraper reaches 180 meters and offers breathtaking panoramic views across Seville. Located beside the Guadalquivir River in the vibrant La Cartuja district, the tower features luxury hotels, premium offices, shopping, and unforgettable city views. Blending cutting-edge architecture with sustainable design, Seville Tower perfectly combines history, innovation, and unforgettable travel experiences in one spectacular destination. Rising above the Guadalquivir River, Torre del Oro is one of the most iconic landmarks in Seville, Spain. Built in 1220 by the Almohad Caliphate, this historic watchtower protected the city and controlled river access during the Middle Ages. Its legendary golden glow inspired its famous name, the Tower of Gold. Damaged by the Lisbon earthquake and beautifully restored, it now houses a fascinating maritime museum. Discover the rich history, medieval architecture, breathtaking river views, and timeless beauty that make Torre del Oro a must-visit attraction in Seville and one of Spain's greatest historic treasures. Standing proudly over the Guadalquivir River, the Triana Bridge, officially known as Puente de Isabel II, is one of the most famous landmarks in Seville, Spain. Built in 1852, this historic iron bridge became the city's first permanent crossing, replacing a centuries-old floating pontoon bridge. Connecting the vibrant Triana district with Seville's historic center, it offers breathtaking river views, stunning architecture, and unforgettable sunsets. Rich in Spanish history, culture, and engineering, the Triana Bridge remains a must-visit attraction for every traveler exploring Seville's beauty, heritage, and timeless charm. The breathtaking Palace of San Telmo in Seville, Spain, is one of the finest landmarks of Andalusian Baroque architecture. Built in 1682 as a university for navigators and sailors, this magnificent palace tells centuries of Spanish history. Admire its spectacular churrigueresque facade, elegant courtyards, historic chapel, beautiful gardens, and remarkable sculptures honoring Seville's greatest figures. Today, the Palace of San Telmo serves as the headquarters of the Andalusian government, blending royal heritage, stunning architecture, and cultural legacy. This iconic Seville attraction is an unforgettable destination for every traveler exploring southern Spain.